Are you interested in buying a property in San Diego? If so, what kind of financing you choose can have a huge impact on what property you buy and how much money you might spend. I'm Wannebo from San Diego Real Estate and Investments. Whether you are a first-time home buyer or an experienced real estate investor, using the right type of financing can make all the difference in saving you thousands of dollars when buying a property. So let me ask you a question. Do you know what loans are available to you? If you're interested in speaking further, I'd highly recommend setting up a free consultation with myself or one of my buyer agent team members. But in the meantime, I wanted to share with you briefly some information on buying a home with a Veteran Affairs or VA financing. So here we go. Some of the advantages of buying a property with VA financing are as follows. First, you can buy a property with no down payment if you are an active or reserve member of the military. There is also a lot more flexibility in your credit scores and credit history than a conventional loan. There are no prepayment penalties and no monthly mortgage insurance premiums with VA, and the loans are assumable by other qualified buyers. You can also have certain closing costs paid for by the seller when using a VA loan. Now, some of the items to be aware of with VA loans are as follows. These types of loans only are eligible for owner-occupied properties. The property cannot have any health or safety issues. This could include any exposed wiring, flaky paint, or a non-working heater. These are things that could get called out from a VA appraiser who also does an inspection of the home. So you want to be aware of those and what they are when it comes to using a VA loan. You will also have to make sure that if you're buying a condo or a home in a planned community, that the property is approved by the VA lender. This can be found out by looking in advance at the VA website. VA loans also require that you get termite clearance, and they must be paid for by parties other than the veteran. So you want to see if there would be any potential issues with any property you might buy. Once you are aware of some of the aspects of using a VA loan to buy a property, and you have been qualified by a mortgage broker to use this type of loan, you are on your way to finding a property that is not only right for you, but eligible for VA financing as well. So now that I've shared with you just a few things to be aware of when using VA loans, but there are a lot more. If you'd like to work with a top professional team, give me or one of my buyer agents a call to set up an appointment, and I will share with you all of my resources for getting started on the process of getting a VA loan. It's important to be working with a broker and a team who knows the ins and outs of buying a home in today's market. So give me a call and set up your free and no obligation consultation. I also have other home buyer informational videos if you'd like. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to meeting with you.